How to insert mathematical symbols in Origin. Welcome back. You're just in time for something awesome today. We learn about how to insert mathematical symbols in Origin. And before dive in, if you need good help into more understanding about it, a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data analyst, Intuito for you has them all. It's like having a research dream team on demand. So visit it right now. And if you are new here, then subscribe now for more amazing video just like that. In this quick Origin tutorial, you will learn how to insert mathematical characters into your graphs and worksheets. First, where can you use symbols? Anywhere you can type text in Origin, text labels on the graph. Legends support symbols too. I double-click the legend text, place the cursor where I need the character, open the symbol map, and insert micro or plus, minus dot or whatever the symbol I need. As soon as you see many symbols there, so you should be select if I prefer. I can also click theta from the character map and it appear after the 2 to make is 2 theta into graph. Now I click to the y-axis and open the symbol map. Here you see many symbols and click whatever you want and it's appear as it is to your selected place. That's it. You now know the quickest way to add mathematical characters anywhere in Origin. But there's more. If you want to edit any word in your graph, simply double-click it. Once you click, a screen will appear with various options available to you. You can select the options according to your needs. For example, once you choose a symbol, like alpha or beta, it will appear in your graph. You'll see these options pop up on the screen while you're selecting, allowing you to pick the perfect symbol for your needs. Once selected, the symbol will automatically appear in the place you've chosen. If you want to add more text to your graph, the process is simple. First, choose the text option from the left side of the screen. Once you click on it, the right text box will appear, allowing you to type in whatever you need. For example, you might type sin into the text box. To add symbols, double-click the text you've just typed, and this will open the symbol map. A variety of symbols will appear for you to choose from. Once you select the symbol you need, it will automatically appear in the place you've selected on the graph. This same process can be used to insert symbols into your worksheet. Simply follow the same steps, and you'll be able to select and place symbols exactly where you need them. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with a friend, and check out my other Origin tips on peaks, labels, legends, and axis tricks. Thanks for watching.